Here I have Honor on Lite, and let me show you how to enable the Simple Mode on the following device. So at first, open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. And now you will find Simple Mode, just tap on it. It's a minimalistic mode, you can see how it will look like after enabling it, and if you still want to apply it, just tap on Apply. Just give your device a few seconds, and now we are in Simple Mode. Your icons are larger and there is way less of them. If you would like to exit this mode, you have to go to the settings and tap on Exit Simple Mode. That's it. Now you are back in the standard mode. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.